everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a banana and strawberry smoothie. My brother's fasting for the first time, so this is a little treat for him. So first you're going to add your bananas in there. Then you're going to add your strawberries. You're going to add your yogurt in. Next, you're gonna add your nuts, any types. Again, a reminder, you can add any types. And these are crushed nuts. We're gonna put that in. Then, first we're going to put your cap on. Okay, did it? Now we're going to press it. And it looks very good. Okay, it's all set. It looks very yummy. I think my brother's gonna love it. He loves strawberry, but he doesn't like bananas, but he likes strawberry, so he may like it. So, we're gonna get this cup, and then we're going to put in some ice in here, and I crushed it already. And so let's pour it in. I'm not fasting, so I'm going to test it out. So let's try it. It's so good. I hope you enjoy this drink, and I hope you enjoy this video. So bye bye, and give us a thumbs up and a subscribe.